Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the case and both AirPods have power. Low battery can block pairing. Then, with the lid open and AirPods inside, press and hold the rear setup button for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white. This clears previous pairings so you can reconnect fresh. Once done, keep the case lid open and move to your phone within a few feet. Proximity speeds discovery. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled before you proceed to pairing. You'll pair differently depending on the device. For iPhone, keep the lid open near the unlocked phone and follow the on-screen animation. Tap Connect. For Android or Windows, open the Bluetooth settings, choose Add Device, then select the listed AirPods. Look for the model name. If you use iCloud and the same Apple ID, your AirPods should appear across your Apple devices automatically. If they don't, sign into iCloud and enable Bluetooth. Once connected, test audio and mic. You finish by verifying the audio route in Control Center or your device's sound settings and adjusting left-right balance if needed. If pairing fails, make sure both your device OS and AirPods firmware are current. Outdated software can block new connections. As a final tactic, remove the AirPods from the device's Bluetooth list, reset the AirPods again, and retry pairing. If nothing works, try pairing with a second device to isolate whether the issue is the AirPods or the original.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.